Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase an eSIM for Guatemala. This is a very simple thing to do and you can go and purchase the eSIM immediately using the first link you're going to see down in the description of this video. Go ahead and open up that link. It's going to take you to the official page right here on the official eSIM application. So you can purchase this eSIM using eSIM on the official website or application. Once you open up the link from the description, it's going to look like this. Make sure to stay until the end of the video as we are going to be showing you the steps on how to install it as well. So it's going to look like this, where you can see unlimited plans and fixed plans, and you're going to see by comparing the prices that unlimited plan is usually the best option, is you're going to be getting unlimited data for similar prices. So go ahead and select your plan right here. Once ready, you can click the checkout option, and after which we can get started choosing a payment method by clicking the choose option. That's going to enable us to select our payment of choice. So we can use pay with card, Apple Pay, whatever we prefer. Go ahead and make the purchase successfully. So once you have made the purchase successfully, we can get started with following the instructions tutorial right here on how to install eSIM on iPhone devices. It works similar on Android as well. So here you have the step-by-step on how to install it on iPhone. You can open up the eSIM application and go to the eSIM page and tap the install button, after which you can tap the add the cellular plan and click the install button, and then you can follow the installation process and it should not be interrupted, after which you can tap to add the cellular plan and label it as however you prefer to be able to recognize it, and it's going to install successfully. You can also go ahead and install it by scanning the QR code. So you can open up the settings, click add cellular plan, and then scan the QR code from the application as well. And basically that is how it's done. It also works similar for Android. You can follow the steps right here as well on what you need to do. So you're going to open up the eSIM application, go to help, click eSIM installation, press the install eSIM now button, and wait for the installation process to end, after which you can activate mobile internet from eSIM right away and follow the steps right here. As you can see them, you're going to click the install button and add the phone, and as well you can scan the QR code. So that's how it's done. If you need any more help, go into the description of this video right now, find the installation link, and get started purchasing your eSIM today. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.